Ticket point mileage, TPM, is a crucial aspect of air travel that affects ticket pricing, routing, and validity. It establishes a distance limit for specific routes, ensuring fair pricing and preventing fare abuse. In this video, we will delve into the concept of TPM, its purpose, and provide examples of routing scenarios where TPM is applied or exceeded. Additionally, we will explore surcharges that airlines impose when the mileage exceeds the maximum permitted mileage, MPM. What is ticket point mileage, TPM? Ticket point mileage, TPM, refers to the maximum distance allowed for a specific route between the origin and destination points. It is measured in miles or kilometers and plays a vital role in fare calculations and routing restrictions. The primary purpose of TPM is to regulate fare pricing and prevent fare abuse. Airlines set TPM to ensure passengers do not artificially extend their journeys to take advantage of lower fares. TPM helps maintain a fair and standardized fare structure while preventing excessive resource usage by passengers. Routing examples where TPM applies or is exceeded. Let's explore the routing examples where TPM plays a significant role. Example: Toronto to Madrid itinerary. TPM from Toronto to Frankfurt, 3,939 miles. TPM from Frankfurt to Rome, 598 miles. TPM from Rome to Madrid, 836 miles. Sum of ticket point mileage, TPM, for the given routing, 5,373 miles. In this example, the total TPM of the itinerary, 5,373 miles, exceeds the maximum permitted mileage, MPM, of 4,728 miles by 15%. Surcharges for exceeding TPM. When the total mileage exceeds the MPM, airlines impose surcharges on the fare. The surcharge percentage varies based on the ratio of TPM to MPM. Here are the surcharge percentages corresponding to different ratios. If the ratio is between 1.00 and 1.05, the surcharge is 5%. If the ratio is between 1.06 and 1.10, the surcharge is 10%. If the ratio is between 1.11 and 1.15, the surcharge is 15%. If the ratio is between 1.16 and 1.20, the surcharge is 20%. If the ratio is between 1.21 and 1.25, the surcharge is 25%. If the ratio is 1.26 and above, the lowest combinations rule applies. In the Toronto to Madrid itinerary example, the ratio of TPM to MPM is 1.14, 5,373 miles divided by 4728 miles, resulting in a 15% surcharge. The specific routing example provided in this article is for illustrative purposes and may vary based on airline policies and specific fare rules. Importance of TPM for passengers. Understanding TPM is crucial for passengers as it directly affects the validity and pricing of their tickets. Passengers should be aware of the TPM limits for their intended journey and choose routing options that comply with the established restrictions. By adhering to TPM guidelines, passengers can ensure a smooth travel experience and avoid any issues related to fare validity. Ticket point mileage, TPM, is an essential aspect of air travel that regulates fare pricing, routing restrictions, and ticket validity. It ensures fair pricing and prevents fare abuse by establishing distance limits for specific routes. Passengers should familiarize themselves with TPM guidelines to make informed decisions when planning their journeys. Additionally, when the mileage exceeds the maximum permitted mileage, MPM, airlines impose surcharges based on the TPM to MPM ratio. By understanding TPM and its impact, travelers can navigate the complexities of air travel and enjoy a hassle-free experience.